S&M.
Is it?
Oh, never mind. Marcel.
Bounce, 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 bounce. He wants soda, Dad.
You're just pushing it away, Marcel. Let's see, huh?
He almost grabbed it with two hands. He's trying to push it to his other hand. Dad, that's a big noodle. Chuck! He's gonna choke on it. He's bouncing. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Look at his eyes.